Ratanlal vs. State of Maharashtra, 1978. This case emphasized the principle that a person is entitled to use reasonable force to defend himself or herself against an attack. It established the concept of private defense under the Indian Penal Code. Narinder Singh vs. State of Punjab, 2014. The Supreme Court clarified that the right to self-defense is a fundamental right and upheld the principle that a person has the right to use necessary force to protect oneself from an immediate threat. Shyam Narayan Chouksey vs. Union of India, 2018. While not directly related to self-defense, this case involved the issue of playing the national anthem in movie theaters. The Supreme Court ruled that citizens have the right to stand up as a sign of respect, but not necessarily the obligation. This ruling indirectly addresses a situation where a person might feel pressured to stand in a potentially dangerous environment. Raju vs. State of Haryana, 2010. In this case, the Supreme Court emphasized that self-defense cannot be equated with retaliation. It stated that excessive use of force would not be justified under the guise of self-defense. Shivlingappa vs. State of Karnataka, 2016. The Supreme Court held that self-defense must be based on reasonable apprehension of danger and not merely on the basis of an individual's perception of a situation. Badev vs. State of Pepsu, 1956. This case reiterated the principle that self-defense must be proportionate to the threat faced. It emphasized that the use of force must be necessary and not excessive. State of UP vs. Ramswarup, 1974. The Supreme Court highlighted that the right of private defense is a legal right, and it does not depend on the absence of injuries on the aggressor's body.